Hi guys, how you all doing? Thank you so much for joining me here. So today's video reaction is by Ankudinova and it says like a waterfall. Guys, let's take a look. Listen to the song too. Just before we go live, one of our
Твои бездумно голубые глаза, я в них смотрела, не боясь потерять, и говорила все, что знала, как ей, зачем повод искать. А ты совсем позабыла обо мне, у тебя уже другая, вариантов нет. Пускай адресат мой твоих смс, но я все еще здесь. Я лечу водопадом прямо вниз, ты меня не лечишь.
I remember the song. She performed it in one of her tours. She was just dancing. I can never forget this performance at all. I think she performed it during one of her tours. If I'm not mistaken, her Moscow tour. She danced hard when she was performing this song. I still have the picture of this her performance in my head. I love the sound, I love the rhythm, it's kind of awakening. This song deserves a video, to be honest.
Знаешь, наверное, просто все давно решено, и неизбежным стал наш общий синдром. Ты тянешь руки, но уже не хочу, я просто молчу. Веришь? Я так хотела к тебе сильнее прижаться, веришь? Никого ближе себя не могла представлять, я помнишь. Ты обещал быть навечно со мной, но сейчас я лечу водопадом прямо вниз, ты меня не лечишь, не спастись. Прятав гордость во внутренний карман, чувства испытали выйду в банк. Ты уже не доживешь, нету сил. Зачем нам звезды, что были сожжены? С тобой мы разучились дорожить, несмотря ни на что, не держи.
I love how danceable this song is. It is so that you can dance to. I don't know what the song is all about, but it sounded more like a happy song, a happy jam, song you can dance to any day, anytime. No subtitle, just like a waterfall. Then I interpreted this song so well. It was interesting to listen to, even without seeing her face. I had fun listening to it. What a happy, vibrant song. I enjoyed every bit of it. Diana made me love the song during her tour, one of her tours that she performed the song. I still have the feeling, the effect of her performance. I still have the effect of her performance of the song. I enjoyed it totally. This will be had fun as much as I did reacting to this masterpiece of Ankudinova. See you on the next one. Be at peace with yourself and with all mankind. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. That's the only way you can support me. Peace.